Hi guys, well today we're playing some murder for a little bit, but also if you want to see me in a game or something, this is my avatar, my new avatar that I will have. So if you ever want to see me in a game, I mostly play Meat City or something like that, because I love Meat City, and who doesn't like Meat City? So, and Meat City can have like a whole bunch of players on it. But, yeah. We're just gonna play murder for a little bit. So I just wanted to share my new avatar with you guys. So if you ever want to see me in a game, you can find me, my username. I'm soon gonna change it to, something else. Oh, no. No. I was trying to get the gun, but I failed. So, and also I'm eating ice cream, so, because it's like really hot. It's like super hot, and ice cream is good. It's kind of a sundae because I put chocolate on it, so, yeah. But I'm playing this for a little bit because, yeah. They're asking me to eat her. I am. That's funny. He said, who's the YouTuber? I'm like, I am. Because I'm recording right now. I probably should have turned off the TV. Just don't pay attention to Nickelodeon in the background. Oh, I hear SpongeBob. Oh no. Oh, great. And he's singing. Nickelodeon, please forgive me. I forgot to turn off the TV. Please don't give me a copyright. I'm sorry. I'm super sorry. I did not mean to do that. I forgot to turn it off. Usually I do turn it off, Nickelodeon. If you see this video, I am sorry. I am so sorry. I love SpongeBob. I love SpongeBob. I'm so sorry. I love SpongeBob so much. This will be the last round until I need to stop it because I also have the TV in the background and I can't keep this video running for like ever. So, yeah. And I'm innocent, of course. I don't really care. I'm not very good at being the murderer. I can be good at being the murderer, but not all the time. It's like very rare. Keep lagging. Oh, that was my coin. Oh, it's got the Jackson Storm helmet on. I have both of them. So if I want to do like a racing car roleplay thing, I can. But mostly I'll be wearing the Lightning McQueen one because I don't like Jackson Storm. Why are you following me, dude? Are you the murderer or something? Are you going to kill? Is this guy going to kill me in the basement? Please don't. Why is he backwards? SpongeBob's about to sing. If you hear SpongeBob, I am so sorry. Nickelodeon. Oh, someone's dressed as Dennis. I honestly don't know who Dennis is. I'm sorry for all those people who like Dennis. I don't watch Dennis. I watch the Taco Squad. So, yeah, I watch Gamer Chad, Radio JH Games, Scholastic Plays, and Micro Guardian. I used to watch Sally Green, but something happened, and I don't watch her anymore, so. Nickelodeon, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry guys, I keep saying that, but I forgot to turn off the TV. Or turn it down one. Yes, SpongeBob is on. I'm so sorry, Nickelodeon. I am so sorry. I'm not trying to copyright you guys. Please don't give me a copyright strike. Oh, I forgot. Oh, I can do this one round. I don't care. I like this game. Maybe I can actually survive. Hey, go away, flies. I hate flies. What is it? This guy? I'm guessing he's a big fan of, oh my gosh, I'm getting notifications. No! Stop it! No notifications, I'm sorry. I can't. I'm recording. Why can't I exit out? Oh. Sorry, Leanne. Or Lena. Sorry, Lena. I'm so sorry, Lena and Gamer. Oh no, not again. Mommy. Oh, Chad. Oh, I already saw that, didn't I? Pretty sure I already saw that. Why can't I exit out? Sorry, Mommy and Gracie. Don't kill me. I was trying to X out notifications. Ah! She is the murderer. No. No. She killed me with a purple knife. That's one of my favorite colors. Well, on that note, good thing I died because now I can wrap this thing up. So I hope you guys can one day join my game. Maybe I'm recording, maybe I'm not, because I like playing without recording because I love Roblox, I love Minecraft. So yeah, I hope you guys can see me in the game, say hi and stuff. So I hope you like, comment, and subscribe if you like playing murder, because I love playing murder because it's one of the best games ever. So, of New City. So, yeah. Bye, guys.